Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best upright vacuums for pet hair you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many upright vacuums for pet hair and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each upright vacuums for pet hair, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an upright vacuum for pet hair. Start by checking the suction power, as strong suction is essential for pulling pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Next, look for a vacuum with a specialized pet hair brush or turbo tool designed to prevent tangling. A good filtration system, such as a 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗃 filter, is also important to trap dander and allergens. Consider the vacuum's weight and maneuverability, especially if you have stairs or multiple rooms. Cord length and dustbin capacity can make cleaning more efficient and less frequent. Noise level matters too, since pets can be sensitive to loud sounds. Finally, pay attention to durability, warranty, and ease of maintenance for long-term use. Choosing the right upright vacuum can make cleaning faster and your home fresher. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.